SWOT analysis. So, what is SWOT analysis? SWOT is an abbreviation for strengths, weaknesses, and opportunities and threats. Um, it's a tool that is used to assess resources, to analyze the capability of delivering a task. Say, for instance, identifying your strengths will allow you to know those treasures you're sitting on. What are those things that will really help you to achieve your goals? When I was planning to change my career, I carried out an assessment on myself and I discovered that I grab teaching by listening. So I'm an audio learner. This gave me the opportunity to multitask. So when I was doing the training to do, exams and all, I could be ironing, I could be doing the dishes, and I'm listening to lectures. So I can pick things up by listening. That came as a result of me identifying my strengths. I did a podcast on emotional intelligence last year in 2024. Emotional intelligence is one of the tools that you can use to identify your strengths. You can use it to know why you do certain things, why you respond to certain things, how you respond, how you can improve and all. Another tool that you can use is a feedback tool, and it's called stop, start, and continue. So, what are those things that you need to stop? Those things are the ones that are preventing you from achieving your goals. The easiest way of getting this kind of feedback is by asking people that are really close to you, say family members, for instance. But you need to be careful because family members can actually be very brutal. I mean, like, in honesty, they can they can be brutally honest. So you must be prepared to receive the feedbacks. They will tell you those things that you need to stop doing, those things that are your strength as well. So stop, start, and continue. So what you need to start is things that would actually benefit you. Say, for instance, if it's easy to turn your weaknesses to strengths in that way. Say maybe you are not a respecter of people's time, or you are very late. You usually come late or leave things to the last minute. By improving on that, you turn that weakness into strength. Opportunities are those things that are already available, those resources, those things that you already that opportunities are those things that are available to you to explore. Say, for instance, in the career you want to go into now, maybe they usually provide grants. For instance, when I was a student, I made research into teaching as a career, and I discovered that government offers grants to teachers, people who are planning to train to become a teacher. You understand? So, although I didn't follow it through, but it was an opportunity. Threats could be, you know, those areas that could jeopardize the plan. Say, for instance, now, if it is a sector that is threatened by technology, say, for instance, technology is already advancing in that area, and in a few years' time, people will get laid off, or there are fundamental issues within that you need to be wary of. It's always good to make that research so you don't go and engage yourself, spend your time on a particular career or endeavor that you will not actually be relevant in, say, like 5-10 years time. It will be a waste of everybody's time if you have to do that. So by carrying out SWOT analysis on a task or on yourself, you are able to assess the resources that are available to you. Those resources could be in form of maybe grants, funding, and time. Time is very important. In fact, it's the most important one. If you don't have time to do things, then they're not going to get done at the end of the day. So you are able to identify resources internally. You've assessed yourself, you have assessed the situation, you identify the resources, you are able to identify the opportunities out there. Is it feasible? Is it something? What about the career progression? Will I be able to progress very speedily? And will this still be relevant in the next how many years? Will it be a waste of my time? Is it worth the effort that I'm putting into it? So I hope you found this very useful. I'm going to see you in my next video. Please don't forget to share this, like, and subscribe. Thank you.